Hello guys, in today's video I am going to show you one of the best existing strategies for trading according to the market trend. In order to do that, I choose the Euro-Canadian currency pair with the 1 minute time frame. Now we should add the indicator to our charts. So I open the indicators tab and type Smart Forex in the search bar and add this Smart Forex buy sell signal by Lucas to my chart. Small Forex is a simple buy and sell indicator which, as you can see, gives us accurate signals. For example, here we have gotten a really amazing sell signal and we could have entered the trade using this signal. And also, the strong signal that the indicator has given here is green, which means it is a very strong buy signal and we could have used it for entering a trade. With this sell signal here, we could have entered a sell trade as well. As I said, these indicator signals are very precise, but to make these signals even more accurate, we need to optimize the settings of this indicator. So we open the settings of the indicator by clicking on these. In the style sections, disable the options as I do. Disable the bar option, then disable the spec buy, spec sell, bear sign and bull sign options. Next, we move on to the inputs and we need to change the time frame to 45 minutes while on a 1 minute time frame chart. At the end, we need to set the long option to 30 and the short to 5 and make sure the signal option is on 9. The signals given by the indicator now are way more accurate than the signals that we were getting on the indicator's default mode. When the indicator was with the default settings, my buy signal was given here, but now I have gotten it way back here, which is more on point. Also, here a really good strong signal has been given. And after that, we have another precise sell signal. Let me show you some more examples in the same time frame. A sell signal here, now a strong buy signal. Again, another sell signal, but this time it is also strong. Then another buy signal, another strong signal. At last, another buy signal. Now let's check out the 1 hour time frame. In order to use this indicator in this time frame, we need to open the settings again, and in the inputs we must set the time frame to 1 day. With this adjustment, we optimized the indicator for the 1 hour time frame, and now we should be able to use this indicator even in the 1 hour time frame. Let's check out some examples in this time frame. Here, we got a strong signal that is a very good buy signal which tells us to enter a buy trade. We could have made 2% profit from this trade in the spot mode. Again, we got another strong signal that is red, meaning it is a sell signal. If we were to enter a trade using this signal, we could have gained 2% profit in the spot mode or 20% with the leverage of 10. I suggest that if you want to use this indicator for trading, it is better to enter trades only with strong signals because these strong signals are way more accurate. We could get back to settings, and in the style tab, we should disable the buy and sell options and only leave the strong buy and sell options checked. Let me show you some more examples in 1 hour time frame with the strong signals. Here, we got a strong sell signal, so we enter a sell trade using it. We could have gained 1.6% profit from this trade in the spot mode. Next, we got a strong buy signal, and if we had entered this trade, we could have gained 8% profit with the leverage of 10. Again, another strong sell signal which could have made 10% profit using the leverage of 10. At the end, yet another strong sell signal that we could have gained 6% profit with the 10 leverage. But if we want to trade according to the market trend, we need to distinguish the true momentum of the market. In order to do that, we open the indicators tab and apply the 10 in 1 different moving averages to our charts. Then we should open the indicators settings, and in the inputs we need to set the MA1's type to HMA and change its length to 300. Next, in the style tab, we change the indicator's color. After this, whenever the price is above the moving average, we are only allowed to enter long trades and the sell signals are invalid in such situation. And whenever the price is below the moving average, we should only enter strong sell trades and buy signals or false when it's like this. See these examples in the 1-minute time frame. Next, some more examples in the 1-hour time frame. It's clear that the signals given by this indicator are fewer than other indicators, but its signals are more precise, and that makes this strategy very profitable. But the most important part about this strategy is knowing when to exit the trades. To get that covered, we open the Indicators tab again and add the RSI indicator to our charts. Next, in the RSI settings and in the Inputs tab, change the RSI length to 28. Then, in the Style section, disable the RSI-based MA option and change the color of RSI option. Change the RSI upper band to 65 and you can also change its color. And leave to RSI lower band on 30 and again you could change its color. In the instance, we got a strong short signal that is valid because it's below the MA line. We enter a short trade with this signal at the closing of the trigger candlestick. We set our stop loss to above the last swing high. Then we use RSI's help to exit the trade. We wait for RSI line to go lower than the 30 line, and as soon as it turns its movement upwards at the lowest point, we exit the trade. And it is the exact opposite for the long trades. Here we got a strong buy signal which we enter a long trade with. We set the stop loss below the last swing low. And for exiting the trade, we have to wait for the RSI line to cross the 65 line upwards. At this position that has happened, we ought to wait for the RSI momentum to turn descending from ascending. Here that the RSI's trend has turned from rising to falling, we exit the trade and ensure our profit. If you pay attention to this trade's risk-reward ratio, you can see that it's got a crazy 7.8 ratio. Such ratio is really amazing for a trade in the 1-minute time frame. But the thing with this indicator is that, as its name suggests, you can use a smart forex buy-sell signal only in forex currency pairs. But you don't need worry. If you wanna use a similar method in cryptocurrencies or stocks, I'll introduce such amazing similar indicator to you. I open the Bitcoin USDT currency pair chart, then in the Indicators tab, I search for Chandelier Exit and add this indicator which is made by Everget to my chart. Next, I open its settings and in the inputs, I change ATR period option to 1 and set ATR multiplier to 2. Then in the Style tab, we only need buy label and sell label options and the rest should be disabled. Okay, because the price is above the moving average line, we are only allowed to enter long trades. The reason is the momentum being ascending. I enter a trade using this buy signal and set my stop loss below the last swing low. And I use 2 risk-reward ratio as for my TP and exit upon reaching my ratio. Again, I can enter a trade using this buy signal. I set the stop loss below the most recent swing low and exit the trade with the 2 risk-reward ratio. Or in this sell example, because the trend is descending and the price is below the moving average, this sell signal is valid. I enter a short trade using the signal. I set the stop loss to above the most recent swing high and exit the trade upon reaching the 2 risk-reward ratio. I hope you find this strategy useful. To see even more profitable strategies, you can subscribe to the channel and watch this next video. Take care and goodbye.